Hey everyone! Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to explore different kinds of factories. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for good luck. Ready? Let's go! First, let's visit a toy factory. Imagine a place filled with colorful materials, cool machines, and lots of creativity. Here, designers come up with awesome toy ideas, and machines help bring these ideas to life. The factory starts with raw materials like plastic, fabric, and paint. These materials are shaped and assembled into different parts of a toy. For example, an action figure starts as plastic pellets that are melted and molded into shape. Then, each part is painted and put together. Workers and machines make sure every toy looks perfect and is safe to play with. Isn't it amazing how a simple idea turns into a toy you can hold and play with? Next, let's check out a food factory. Think about your favorite snacks, cookies, chips, or cereal. In a food factory, ingredients are mixed, cooked, and packaged using special machines. Everything is done very carefully to make sure the food is tasty and healthy. For example, in a cookie factory, the process starts with mixing ingredients like flour, sugar, and butter. The dough is then rolled out and cut into shapes before being baked in large ovens. Once the cookies are baked and cooled, they are packaged and ready to be shipped to stores. Watching cookies go from dough to delicious treats is so cool! Now, let's take a look inside a clothing factory. Here, fabrics are cut, sewn, and stitched together to make the clothes we wear every day. The process starts with large rolls of fabric that are cut into patterns using special machines. These pieces are then sewn together by skilled workers or sewing machines to make shirts, pants, dresses, and more. Each step requires precision and care to ensure the clothes fit well and look great. It's like magic to see plain fabric turn into beautiful outfits. Finally, we'll explore a car factory. Imagine a huge space where different parts come together to build cars. Robots and humans work side by side, assembling engines, attaching wheels, and adding all the finishing touches. The process begins with the car's frame, which moves along a conveyor belt while different parts are added. Robots weld pieces together, and workers install parts like seats, dashboards, and windows. By the end of the line, a fully assembled car rolls off, ready to hit the road. Watching a car being built from start to finish is truly incredible. Factories are incredible places where creativity, engineering, and teamwork come together to make the things we use every day. So, next time you play with a toy, eat a snack, wear your favorite clothes, or see a car, you'll know a bit more about how they were made. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!